What is positive psychology? Focus. Positive psychology studies and promotes positive aspects of human experience and well-being. Contrast. Unlike traditional psychology, it does not focus solely on diagnosing and treating psychological disorders. Purpose. It emerged to shift the focus from pathology and dysfunction to understanding and enhancing factors for a fulfilling and meaningful life. Key areas of interest within positive psychology include 1. Positive emotions. Studying and promoting positive emotions such as happiness, joy, gratitude, and love. 2. Character strengths and virtues. Identifying and cultivating personal strengths and virtues that contribute to a flourishing life. 3. Optimism and hope. Examining the role of optimism and hope in coping with life's challenges and setbacks. 4. Flow and engagement. Investigating the state of flow, where individuals are fully immersed and engaged in activities that challenge and stretch their abilities. 5. Meaning and purpose. Exploring the search for meaning in life and the pursuit of meaningful goals. 6. Resilience. Understanding how individuals can bounce back from adversity and develop resilience. 7. Positive psychology balances the study of human experience by also examining positive dimensions. 8. Researchers and practitioners develop interventions to enhance well-being, life satisfaction, and happiness. 9. The field has practical applications in education, therapy, workplaces, and personal development. What is positive psychology? Symptoms, treatment, precaution. 1. Symptoms, treatments, and precautions related to positive psychology include the following main ways. 2. Symptoms or indicators of positive psychology. Increased positive emotions, feeling more joy, gratitude, contentment, and satisfaction. Engagement, being fully absorbed and immersed in activities, experiencing a state of flow. Positive relationships, building and maintaining meaningful connections with others. Meaning and purpose, finding a sense of meaning and direction in life. Accomplishment and achievement, setting and achieving goals that align with one's values and strengths. 3. Treatment or practices in positive psychology. Gratitude exercises, keeping a gratitude journal, expressing thanks, and focusing on positive aspects. Mindfulness and meditation, cultivating present moment awareness and reducing stress. Strengths-based interventions, identifying and using personal strengths in daily life. Positive affirmations, using positive statements to foster a positive mindset. Acts of kindness, engaging in altruistic actions to promote well-being. 4. Precautions in positive psychology. 1. Individual differences. Tailor interventions to individual preferences and needs, as what works for one person may not work for another. 2. Balancing positivity. Acknowledge and address challenges and negative emotions while emphasizing positive aspects of life. 3. Professional guidance. Seek help from mental health professionals when dealing with severe emotional distress or mental health disorders. In conclusion, positive psychology complements traditional psychology, using its interventions alongside other therapeutic methods. It does not advocate ignoring negative emotions, but aims for a comprehensive understanding of well-being by incorporating both positive and negative aspects of human experience.
The information provided here is intended for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional advice and should not be construed as such. The content is based on general knowledge and may not be applicable to individual circumstances.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share.